What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn my notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate all of my viewers and I love you guys so much as I am growing my channel. Today we have Kima here. She's getting a 40-inch wig in a bust down middle part installed today. So I molded her cap with the boho liquid gold, and I did something different today. I put the makeup on her cap before I melted it down just to see how I like it. I think I like this method better than putting the stuff and then putting the makeup, because like I just feel like this helps the cap blend more. So yeah. So the wig, here's the wig right here. I'm just showing the part. I plucked the part beforehand. I plucked the hairline. She didn't want any baby hairs. This is from Alipearl. She paid about $600 some for it. I think she said like 664 or some shit. Cause she had a little coupon, but normally it's like 700 or something. But yeah, so it was a 5x5 closure, transparent lace. I already put makeup on the lace. Y'all know I like to go in with makeup and the lace tint, so I'm gonna be doing that today. But before I do that, I'm gonna glue her wig down. I'm just clipping that extra lace out of the way so I can start placing the glue where I want it. And of course, I'm using the boho active glue like always, and I'm gonna use the end of a rat tail comb to smooth out the glue. I used to use like the little wooden sticks, but I ran out and I never bought any more. I think I got some in a box somewhere, but y'all, all my shit is like everywhere right now because I'm moving into a new apartment next week. Whoop whoop. I'm definitely gonna do an empty apartment tour for y'all because I'm moving downtown Chicago. Like, the view from my apartment is gorgeous and it's just really nice. But I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna let y'all see when I upload that video. But yeah, I'm still just moving that glue out, and then sometimes I'll be using my finger to like wipe any extra glue off, and then like I like to blow dry sometimes in between just to speed up the process, because sometimes this shit could take a long time to turn clear. That's why I like sometimes when I do sew-ins, and I like to sew the hair in and glue it down at the same time, because while I'm sewing, it give the glue time to dry, and it just speeds up the process. But with the wig, I'll just be, having to wait. And so I'm just pressing that lace down into her skin and into the glue, and I'm gonna blow dry it on a high heat, and then I'm just gonna cut the lace off. I like to cut it down the middle at first with scissors and then cut the rest off with an eyebrow razor, just because I don't know, I feel like it's easier to go from the middle to the end on both sides. And then I like to use the end of the eyebrow razor too to like press it down in the glue. But I'm just showing y'all how it looks before I add the lace tint, and honestly this looks really good right here. Like, it looks like it's coming out of her damn scalp, but like you can still see a little slight line of demarcation, so that's why I'm gonna go in with the lace tint. And I'm using the Wig Guru's lace tint in the color Chocolate Darling. My friend Kayla purchased this for my birthday. Shout out to her. It came with 4 different colors. I believe she bought me the sample size. I'm not sure, but I will leave that information in the description box for y'all below, as well as all the other products that I'm using. I'm flat ironing her hair. Bitch, this hair go down to the motherfucking floor. I had to raise her chair up as high as it can go, and I'm literally flat ironing to the ground. The products I'm using in her hair today is Sebastian's Reshaper Plus always. Then I always use Beyond the Zone Heat Protectant Spray, and I like to use Mizani Shine Spray and Spritz for the flyaways. So I use a lot of different sprays, but they're all pretty much lightweight. The hair doesn't feel like heavy afterwards, and it just make everything like silky and smooth. And y'all, she got this wig from Alipearl. Like, it's really, really good quality. Like, I've never used their, look at me putting my mask on. Because I don't want y'all ass to be like, this bitch don't got no mask on. This COVID going around. Let me tell y'all, I ain't got COVID. I done been to the bar. I done been to the club. I done been in parties. All that shit. On the flights. I done been to Miami and LA twice during Corona, the pandemic, and I ain't got that shit. But let me knock on wood, because God forbid. Anyways, so this wig is from Alipearl, and it's really, really, really good quality. Like, this hair was bomb. It got silky, silky straight, and it's shiny, it's full. I believe she got 180 density. So this wasn't even, I think their wigs go up to like 200 density at the most. So she got 180, and it was very, very full. Y'all gonna see in the end, I'm gonna make her show up and stuff. And I'm just using that pink glosser. That just helps with the flyaways, and it just gives it that really, really, really sleek look. Like, look at that hair, y'all. It looks so bomb. Shit, for $660, it better been bomb. And then I'm just using my House of CB wax stick to, you know, lay everything flat before I start flat ironing the closure part. And then I'm just do the same thing on this part, and then just add, you know, the wax stick and the hot comb to just flatten it out. And then here I'm just checking out the hairline, cleaning off any excess glue, and then just plucking it, you know, to make it look like not so dense and to make it look more natural. But yeah, she got a bust down, and this shit came out looking so fine. She did a photo shoot and everything too. Like, her shit was looking so good. Alipearl snapped on this wig too. I wish this would have been a free one, but no, it wasn't a free one. She paid for this. But Alipearl, if you're watching this and you want to send me a 40-inch wig, I'll take it. I have another wig I have to do a review on from AF Sister Wigs. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but I think that's how you say it. And it's a curly wig. That's probably going to be the next video I upload after this one, because I don't want them to get on my ass. I'm hoping they can give me like a week, because I'm trying to wait till I moved into my apartment to film. I really don't want to film at the shop, but I just might have to. And then I'm adding makeup to her part and just using a hot comb to get that pushback look. And then of course I'm a hot comb and like back flat, but I just wanted to get like that pushback look. It looks so natural, like, it looks really good. This didn't even need baby hairs. She only didn't want baby hairs because she says she don't know how to do them, which a lot of my clients say that, and I still be kind of forcing their ass to get them. And I'm just hitting that part with the black spray to make it more, you know, like crisp. I don't like to put too much black spray, but just enough black spray. I think I'm gonna end up adding some more, just a little bit. Oh yeah, and then she wanted it sewn down so she could leave it on for a couple. Well, she actually came and got it maintenance since I filmed this video, and she's gonna come back and get it maintenance again for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I filmed this video like 3 weeks ago too. I'm horrible, y'all, with uploading, but I promise I'm gonna get better this year, for real, because I'm already about to have 3 videos posted for January. And then I'm just using that spray to melt the lace, and I'll put her under the dryer for like 20 minutes just to make sure that that shit is completely dry and laid. And then I'm just, of course, gonna go over it again with the hot comb and stuff, I believe. I think I am. I'm not sure, but I usually do once I take them from under the dryer, because the dryer be fucking shit up sometimes. Then just alcohol once again to wipe that extra whatever shit that was just leaving that white line. Not sure what it was, but that's why I just hot combed again. I mean, alcoholed again. And then I'm just putting some bio silk on the hair just to tame the flyaways and to you know, make it look shiny. And this is a close-up of the closure. That shit looks very, very good. Like, it looked like it's coming out of her scalp, her natural hair. Like, so many people asked her and me, was this a regular sew-in or a wig or a closure? Like, it just looks really, really good. But yeah, we've neared the end of the video. I'm just adding a little bit more black spray. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. Look at this 40 inches of slay, y'all. Slay. Sleek, shiny, like gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.